habang papasok po ako, ay nakikita ko po sila. Sila po ang ating pambansang hayop. Yan. Our national animal was going to eat the grass. Look over there. Yan. You can see the banana leaves. And papaya leaves. Look. At there. You can see also the mountain. See? See that? Look. There is also a lattice in Tagalog, but it is a cure to a heart. Somebody told me that. Look, there is a house over there built by a nipa.